Okay, hi everybody, Clarion here, and today we're going to make an NFT together step by step. I'm going to try to make it short and sweet and just cover all the basics and essentials. We're going to put it up on OpenSea, which is OpenSea.io, and that's just a platform. It's the largest NFT marketplace, and where you can buy, sell, and discover rare digital items. Okay, and NFTs, they're non-fungible tokens. So just to go over that, it's like an irreplaceable piece of digital art, and so you can make a GIF, you can make a little movie file, you can make an animation, and then you can put it up and sell it and trade it. Okay, so let's get started. So I'm gonna go start off at pixelart.com. Okay, so pixelart.com is just to make some kind of drawing, and it makes, this is a site where you can make pixelated drawings. This is not a drawing course. I'm just gonna do something fast, just so I'm gonna draw something. I'm gonna draw a cat, a pixel cat. Let's make a pixel kitty here. Okay, whiskers. Cat has whiskers. Please don't judge me for the drawing here. All right, little nose, and it's Monday, so we'll just make the cat smiley to kind of deal with the mundaneness. Look, there's a tail. I know you guys are like, all right, what is this? What kind of, is this a kid's? Okay, and let me get rid of this. Okay, there you go. There's a cute cat. Okay, so that's it. All right, I'm not going to waste your time. Let me download it. Yeah, sorry, hit download. We're going to download it as a PNG. And there we go. Cool. Okay, so we've got our kitty, pixel frame 01. So I'm going to remember that. This is like the artwork of the NFT, right? So this is what represents the token in a sense. It's the digital artwork that we're going to be minting. And so now you can go to OpenSea.io. Okay, so OpenSea.io, it's basically, it's kind of like an eBay for NFTs, where you can buy and sell your NFTs. You can create a storefront. So if you don't have an account on OpenSea.io yet, you need to make one. So you would have to kind of go here, and since I already have an account, I click on my profile and it's going to ask me to sign in. If you don't have one, it's going to ask you to create an account, so you need to have a wallet. If you don't have that, you can actually just click on the link below in the description of this video, and I have like some videos where I show you how to do that step by step if you want to do that, so you can just check the link. But if you have that stuff, then you can just set it up and make an account for free on OpenSea. And you're also going to need MetaMask. If you don't have that, you got to go to metamask.io. And the MetaMask is essentially to hook up your wallet to be able to use it on OpenSea. You go to metamask.io, click download. It's pretty simple, guys. You just got to go through the steps and figure it out. So anyway, once you have that all hooked up, you should be able to create an account and then sign into your account. Click sign in. Sweet. So I'm in the account, and you see I created a profile pic. You can do that. You can edit your account. What you want to do is, once you have your account created, you want to make a storefront. Okay, yeah, so this is the storefront that I created. And the storefront essentially is, where, like I said, where you store all your NFTs. So you're going to want to make a storefront. So if I click on manage, I can do two things. Once I go into manage the storefront, now I can edit the individual NFT information, or I can actually edit the information of the storefront itself. So if I click on edit of the storefront itself, it's going to ask me to sign in. Okay, and something, just a heads up, when you're making an NFT, well, when you're creating an account on OpenSea, you're going to be charged a pretty hefty gas fee up front, which is usually around $70. But once you're charged that amount, then it's free to mint after that. So you can just mint for free whatever you want, and then it just takes a cut. I think OpenSea takes like 2.5%. We're going to verify that in a second. But just so you know, there's like an upfront cost. Now, if $70 is too expensive, you could kind of wait and check to see the gas fees as they go up and down. Or hopefully by the time you see this video, 2.0 is out and the gas fees are down. That would be awesome. But yeah, so now that we're here, we can see that you have information where you can edit the percentage fee. This is a percentage fee of the resale value. These are payment tokens to buy and sell your items, so you can add tokens here. We have other information. So this is something for you to just check out. You can also change the logo and the featured image. Okay, so now that you have an idea of the storefront, hopefully you can create your own storefront. Let's mint the NFT. So what you want to do is add new item over here. So we're going to add a new item. It's the first thing you want to do. And then now we can just drag it in. So go to your image, and you can just drag it. Here's my image here. Okay, 10 million Ethereum for this kitty cat if anybody wants it. Okay, so we're gonna write it. We're gonna write Cyber Monday kitty. Okay, description: a nice pixel kitty. A nice pixel kitty cat kicking it off like this. Okay, so a nice pixel kitty cat. I'll just, we're gonna go minimal. We'll just keep it a nice pixel kitty cat like that. And how many do we want to have? Supply, this is the number of copies. Do we want unlockable content? No. Do we want any properties? We could add properties, so we can type stuff for the character and then the name. So the properties show up underneath the item. So you don't have to, but if you want to, you can add sort of properties, type, and then a name, So this could be a cat, and the name could be Cyber Monday Kitty, we can save that. So we've got some properties, there's stats and levels, but you don't have to play with that stuff. You can look that stuff up on your own if you want to read more about it, or you can actually, if you want a better, more detailed video that goes really into the details of everything, then you can check out I have got a full kind of course where I try to go really short and sweet through all the steps. But this is just so you can kind of see how to do it, make the image, and just kind of demystify it. The process isn't really that complicated when you're using a platform like OpenSea. So you can put it up, and then you can click create, and boom, I just minted. And so it's been created, it's been minted, and now we can sell it. So if we click on sell, now we go to the market, and now I can click sell. So if I click on sell, it's going to take me to basically this is the page where we can set up the listing information for when we're going to want to auction it. So we have 3 different options. We can set the price, we can do highest bid, or we can do a bundle. But we're not going to do a bundle. We're just going to put it up. See, if it's a bundle, you can select groups and then sell them together. Well, let me go back because we don't want to do a bundle. We just want to mint one NFT. So why don't we do a highest bid just to give you an idea. So when you select highest bid, now this is going to be basically a model for the highest bidder. And this is, it's like a classic kind of standard auction setup. So you need a minimum bid. So that's the minimum amount for your starting bid, right? So let's say we want to sell this for 0.003 ETH, which is, if you want to know the conversion from Ethereum to USD, we can just Google it. Let's just say Ethereum to USD here, or Ether to USD, sorry. So nice, going up. All right, so we want 0.003, so $6.30 right now. And remember, since this is cryptocurrency, it's volatile, so these things go up and down. All right, so that's the minimum bid. We also need a reserve price. Create a hidden limit by setting a reserve price. So minimum has to be just 1. So, and now we have an expiration date, so we can set up how long we want this auction to go. Maybe you want the auction to go for a month. That's quite a long time. I suggest usually like a week or something, 5 days, but of course this is just super general, depends what you're doing. But just, it's cool that you can change the functionality. You have the functionality here to change the date. So I don't know, like 3 days. And then that's it. And then when we're ready and everything looks good, we hit post, and now it's listing your item. And it's gonna ask for a signature. So we got our MetaMask back up here. And we sign it, and once we've signed it, it'll list the item. Should. And now the item is listed. Done. And yeah, if you got something out of this video, if you want to have more details about, how do I set these stuff up, then definitely go check out the video down. You can check out my course that I have. It's pretty short and sweet. I do the same thing, just step by step, just a little bit more detail oriented and put together. So good luck with your NFTs. It's pretty exciting and pretty cool stuff that you can do with this. So, and thanks for checking out this video. Take care. Bye. Bye-bye.